Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Ford KA Plus. This is the Zetec version and comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, returning up to 56 miles per gallon. An insurance group of just 5, and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 13,000 miles and has been serviced by Ford 5 times. This particular colour is called Deep Impact Blue and looks in really good condition for age and mileage of the car. As we look inside, you've got the nice clean interior there. A armrest that folds down for the driver. On the dashboard, you've got your climate control, which was chosen as a factory option, as well as the heated front seats as well. Also Bluetooth for your phone, cruise control there on the steering wheel, and you've got your electric mirror controls and Ford window switches there on the door card. For a small hatchback, you've got good amount of legroom and headroom there, so easy access if you're getting children in and out of car seats. Honestly, the car's also got 3 individual seat belts in the back as well. And as we open the tailgate, which is the button just here, just pop that open. You have the deep boot there with a split folding rear seat, and the parcel shelf is still in place. And underneath the boot floor, the first owner also chose a spare wheel as a factory option. Normally that I believe would be a tire inflator, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights, the 15-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance which is 9.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.